guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ana Olifant for those who don't know, and today I have a hair review for you guys, and today's hair is from Sogoodhair. So this is the box that the hair arrived in, and inside the box it's the hair itself, and they have also included a lot of goodies, okay, such as wig caps, a bonnet, lashes, girl, you name it. So today I'll be trying out the 5x5 HD Swiss lace closure wig, and it is 150% density and 24 inches long. The hair did come pre-plucked and the knots were also bleached as well, which is so great because it's looking natural. Guys, I'm literally obsessed with this hair because it is giving scalp, okay? It is giving everything natural. So basically a 5x5 closure wig has more lace space compared to a normal closure, and it also looks like you have a frontal on, you know. There are a few combs included on the inside and some adjustable straps as well at the back. Please, this hair is literally growing out of my scalp. Do you guys see that parting? Do you guys see everything is just giving scalp? So I'm going to be laying the wig using some got to be glued blasting free spray, and then I'm just going to press down the lace using the end of my comb, and then I'm going to help dry the glue with my blow dryer on low heat. I feel like this wig just makes so much sense because of the convenience. Firstly, I mean, it didn't even take me more than 45 minutes to install this hair, and you also don't have to glue it down, so then it would take you less time. And then after I've tied the hair and it's out of my way, I'm going to wrap my lace using an adjustable band and just leave it on for a few minutes, and then once the lace is laid, then I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. Now for some rubbing alcohol just to help remove any excess glue, and then I'm going to go in with the glue once again in small sections just in case there are any like areas that are lifting because of the rubbing alcohol. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to use some care mousse followed by my hot comb just to help flatten the top and also just get rid of any flyaways. I'm going to say it again, this hair, I myself am convinced that this hair is growing out of my scalp, okay? I absolutely love how natural it looks. I believe that 5x5 closures are definitely the way to go from now on because wow. So if you are interested in purchasing this 5x5 closure wig, then I will have all the details down in the description box for you, so please do check that out. And thank you once again to Sogoodhair for sending me this beautiful bomb hair, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.